Tired of toggling between Google and ChatGPT? Install this extension and search with AI directly from your address bar. In this quick guide, I will show you exactly how to add ChatGPT search to Chrome in just a few clicks. So let us start. First, open up Google Chrome. Just launch it like you normally would, whether that is from your taskbar, your dock, or your desktop. We need to be inside Chrome to make this change. Now, look up at the top right corner of your browser window. See those three little dots in a vertical line? Click on those. That opens up the main menu for Chrome, and it is where we will find the settings for extensions and more. From that menu, hover your mouse over the option that says Extensions. Do not click it yet, just hover. A smaller side menu will pop out. This is where Chrome keeps all the controls for adding, removing, and managing your browser add-ons. In that side menu, you will see an option that says Visit Chrome Web Store. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a new tab that takes you directly to the official place where you can find thousands of extensions for Chrome, all vetted and safe to use. Once the page loads, look at the top center of the page. There is a search bar there. Click inside it and type in the word ChatGPT. Just that, all lowercase, and then hit enter. The store will filter the results and show you everything related to ChatGPT. You will see several results pop up. Look for the one that is simply called ChatGPT Search. It is usually one of the first results, created by OpenAI themselves. Click on that listing to open its dedicated page. Now, on this page, you will see a big blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click on that button. A small pop-up window will appear, asking you to confirm the permissions the extension needs. This is a standard step for any extension. Click the button that says Add Extension in that pop-up. Chrome will now download and install the extension. This process is very quick, usually just a second or two. You will know it is done when you see the ChatGPT icon appear in the top right corner of your browser, right next to your address bar. And here is the really important part. Now, when you type a question into your Chrome address bar and hit enter, instead of going to Google, it will automatically direct you to ChatGPT with your query already loaded and ready to go. You can test it right now. Type something like, "What is the capital of France?" Hit enter and watch it take you straight to ChatGPT. And that is all there is to it. No more switching tabs, no more copying and pasting. You can now search with AI directly from your address bar. If this guide helped you out, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more straightforward step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.